Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon. First, there is a movie coming up and it's called Celebrate It Hellah. I'm sure you would like to see me featured in this movie, and I would love you to subscribe to the channel. It is Naija in TV. You get the details of the movie on Naija in TV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll keep you posted on the details as it comes. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you my dress, and don't mind me, it got burnt while ironing, but I'll still show you the back so you can see. The tutorial needs to move on. I have two different materials here, and that's the main fabric and also the lace fabric. So I use this as a gathered, just like a ruffle in front of it. You get the details in the sewing, so you don't want to miss out. Also, it has gotten to my reach that people are being scammed out there, all in the name of WhatsApp training. If anyone is asking you to pay into an account, please, I need you to confirm first. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. Kindly confirm so as to avoid being scammed. Thank you. Don't forget, we upload our cutting and sewing tutorials separately. And if this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe and the bell button. The measurements we'll be needing are the underbust, the half length, and the full length. We'll also be needing the shoulder and the sleeve measurements, round sleeve, bust circumference, underbust circumference measurements. Basically, the half length is being shown in the cutting tutorial, and in the sewing tutorial you get the rest of the details. I'm sure you don't want to miss out, so let's move on. Alright, I'm going to start work from the front. The first thing I'll do is join the princess dart, and I'll also join my lace fabric together.
Simeon classic on deck.
Having done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring my strip of fabric and I'll gather it. So let's gather that first.
Simeon classic on deck.
To gather, I'll just pull one of the threads. And you have to make the edge ready as well, either folding or weaving or whatever you choose to do at the base of the gathered fabric. So you have to make it ready as well. Okay, so this is my gathered fabric and I've placed it on the main dress. Just use your pin to hold it down this way. And the next thing I'm going to do is to join the lace fabric together, making sure my joinings, the one on the lace and the main fabric, you have to make sure it's aligned. And to do that, I'm going to bring the two together. This is what we need to get. This is my joint part, so I have to make sure it's aligned. So I'll just hold it down with my pin. So I'm going to join this to the fabric now. Alright, so after joining, this is what I have, and the next thing we are going to do is to join the shoulder and also bring out the side shape. And working on the back first, to bring out the darts, your darts can be the normal straight darts, they take 4 inches, and it can as well be the normal princess dart. So I'll make mine a princess dart, so I'll just cut right now, then I'll join back before fixing it, before joining the shoulder and bringing out the side shape. Alright, so I'll join the shoulder, bring out my shape, then I'll like I said, the base is going to be a flay. I'll join I'll fix my zip as well, and I'll use a bias, you know, a bias, the normal bias, to turn the neck, and you can cut out a strip of fabric to also turn the neck, and in case you want a lining, you can actually go ahead to do that.
Simeon classic on deck.
So I'm joining the flip parts, which has already been cut. Then I'll close it up to fix my zip as well.
Simeon classic on deck. Simeon classic on deck.
So I'll just go ahead to turn with bias. That's the way I've explained. Alright, so the next thing to do is to work on the sleeve. So I'm just going to bring out the round sleeve measurement, then I'll fix my sleeve to the main dress. So I'll just repeat the same to the other sleeve, and that will be the last thing to do. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel Africa TV and leave your comments in the comment section. Also, I'm going to make sure I weave all the necessary parts of my fabric, and that will be the end of our sewing. I still remain Simeon Grace, and till I see you next class. Bye.